Hey everyone, I'm Sarah and this is Courageous Color. And today we're going to talk about the meaning of the color orange. Orange is a fun, bright color that represents youthfulness and creativity. Orange is a symbol of adventure and ambition. Orange helps artists express feelings of originality and creativity, as well as caution and frustration. Comment down below and let me know what the color orange means to you. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Courageous Color for more color-related videos.